niggas in the bag. Might come back, check with her.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jairus, back again with another banger. I posted on my Instagram story to ask me some questions for a Q&A. Some of the questions have probably already been answered if you just do a little bit of research on my YouTube channel, but it's okay. Also, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you know every time I post, because I post some pretty fire content, I would think. Drop some likes on this video. There'll be a couple questions that I'm gonna be answering that require you to like the video, so do that. We live next to Lake Baldwin. That's a pretty nice lake, pretty nice area overall. So I figured it'd be a nice day to take a walk and make like a little vlog style Q&A, so that's what I'm doing. A silent library with D and the gang. That's actually not a bad idea, because D and them are not like scared to do anything in public for videos. So I'll bring it up to them, I'll see what they're about. I don't know of very many libraries in the area that we could possibly go to and risk getting kicked out of, but I'll talk to them about it and see what they're about. Had you met Destroying before the one-on-one video? Actually, I didn't. That one-on-one video where I won the $10,000, that was actually the first time I met him. He posted on his Instagram story saying to meet him out at the field down in Davenport to win some money for some one-on-ones. The night before, I was like, I don't know if I want to go because that's kind of far from where I'm at. And the next morning, he confirmed it. He posted another thing on his stories saying come out, he gave the time and whatever. So I was like, you know what? I told my brother about it. He was like, bro, you gotta go. So I was like, all right. So I went out there and the rest is history. Were you at ever any point trying to make a career in the NFL? If you scroll down on my YouTube channel, you will find the answer to that, but I'll pop some clips up here just to refresh you or learn you some new information.
Yeah, there you go, boy.
Purchase your tracks today.
Get out, get out. Get upfield, there you go. Come out of there, come out of there.
Yeah. Did you play football in college? You already know the answer to that. Do I have highlights I can react to, high school or college? I have both high school and college highlights. I could probably do both. My college highlights are actually pretty long. They're on my YouTube channel. It's like 12 minutes long. It's not even really a highlight tape, it's just all of my catches. So I'll probably have to condense that into a highlight tape eventually. So I'll probably do that. Is playing D1 worth it? I think if you enjoy the game of football, if you love it, playing D1 is definitely worth it. Have you ever thought about traveling and meeting your subscribers? Yeah, I'll travel within a 200-mile radius if I'm riding with somebody to meet y'all. I done traveled to Davenport to meet some people, so, and that's 40 miles away, so it just depends. I mean, y'all can fly me out if you live in a different country or something. You just gotta let me know. Can you make a video for receivers to avoid getting jammed at the line? Yeah, I can make a press release video. My favorite NFL player is actually retired, but Chad Johnson is my favorite player. He's also my favorite receiver. The next question is, what made me decide to be a YouTuber? I used to watch a lot of car vlogs and automotive YouTube stuff, and I was like, you know, I can do the same thing. I got a group of friends that work on the cars. I might as well start a YouTube channel and start documenting the things that we do. So that's what I did. How are you so good at that cowboy voice? I've been doing the country redneck voice for years now. Me and my brother used to do that all the time. I used to do it all through high school and just messing with people. I used to talk to people like that, like on a daily basis, because it was just fun and people didn't really expect it. So I've been doing that for quite some time now, and I finally actually got a chance to use it in a video. What's it like making videos with D and them? It's actually really fun. Those guys are like super energetic. Like that cowboy video, that was probably the most fun I've had filming a video ever, because we were just spitting stuff off the top of the dome.
Back up!
I'm behind the line, bro!
Respect my territory!
It's my land! My territory, I stand where I got damn on.
Stand over there then!
I don't want to. Would I want to play in the AAF or the CYFL? I don't think the AAF is no longer in existence, and I don't know what the CYFL is, but I did try out for the Canadian League. I'll drop those highlights in here right now, actually. How many stars did you have coming out of high school? I actually had 0 stars. I was not recruited. I had no Division I offers. I had no preferred walk-ons. I had that in a couple of videos ago actually talking about that. But yeah, 0 stars. The next question is why number 6? I actually, when I was going to college at Davidson, I actually requested a single digit number, and number 6 was the only number that they had available. If I wasn't playing football, what sport would I play? I would probably be playing soccer. Soccer is like my next favorite sport aside from basketball. I'm probably the best at soccer, if anything. But yeah, I grew up playing that first, then I played basketball, and I didn't play football till high school. What's your favorite route? My favorite route? I don't know, it changes. My favorite route's probably the curl route, honestly. Because I like running fades, and it's super easy to self-fade when you're running a curl route. Do I have any tips for a new wide receiver around 5'11", 6 foot for their first year of football? If it's your first year of football, be as coachable as possible. You might not get to play the position that you want, but just be as receptive to your coaches as possible, and just keep an open mind, learning new things, because you might not end up playing receiver. You might find something else on the football field that you love, like cornerback or safety or something you wouldn't expect. So just keep an open mind and be as coachable as possible, and that'll get you the most success. What's a good way to gain muscle? You gotta work out, first of all, and you gotta eat. And I'm not just talking about like regular eating, you gotta like eat a lot. Like, it took me a while to actually learn how to eat a lot. You have to just like, not force yourself to eat, but you have to eat more than you're used to. And it can be a little uncomfortable at times, but you gotta do it. What is my favorite NFL team? My favorite NFL team is the Jacksonville Jaguars. We got to the AFC Championship a couple years ago, so that was pretty exciting. We got cheated because, you know, the Patriots and stuff, they be cheating. But I like the Patriots too, so I ain't gonna really talk cash like that. What is my best play of all time?
Jarvis Scott just took it to the house.
Did you play basketball, soccer, and football because you look athletic? Yes, actually in high school I played all 3. In college I was able to play a little bit of intramural basketball and also club soccer in college. So yeah, but yeah, I played club soccer in high school, middle school, whatever, travel soccer. I did all that, and I played AAU basketball when I was younger too. So I did all of it. What high school did I go to? I went to First Coast High School in Jacksonville, Florida. Did I ever play against NFL players? I played against people who are in the NFL now. How long have I been playing football? I started playing football in 8th grade, not really, but high school for sure. I didn't play as a kid. What brand of sports gear do I prefer? Nike all day. I got a lot of Under Armour stuff because it was free, and that's what I got at school. So that's mainly what I wear, but I would prefer to wear Nike all day. Next one is, when's Cowboy Jairus gonna be a thing? I don't know, do y'all wanna see Cowboy Jairus on the channel? I'm debating on whether I wanna put him on here, but if y'all wanna see it, if this video gets like 200 likes or something, I'll get Cowboy Jairus on the channel. Next question is, when are you gonna post more car videos? Actually, I'm trying to post some car videos soon. When I buy a new car, which will be very soon, hopefully, I'll post some videos on it. Have you ever had a bad injury? Yeah, actually my senior year of college, I had a concussion. I got hit twice, actually. 2 games back to back, going across the middle, straight in the head. Coming up, what was the thing that scared you the most about football? Getting hit. I tried to play Pee Wee when I was little. I was good before we put on the pads. We put on the pads into this hitting drill. I got hit in the stomach and I was done. I was like, Mom, I'm not playing no more. I'm not doing none of this. I got hit in the stomach and it hurt. And I didn't play again until high school. So yeah, that was probably the thing that scared me the most, just getting hit in the stomach, because it like knocked the wind out of me. Who would win in a race between you, D, and Hersey? Me. That's all I got for the Q&A though. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you guys for asking the questions. If you have any more questions, drop some comments. If you have some video ideas, drop some video ideas. I saw some in the Q&A questions and some of them were pretty good, so I'm gonna probably take advantage of those. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. Drop a like on this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.